Hey everybody, this is Ray Ogilvy from Hartsville, South Carolina. And this energetic little bird we're looking at here is a blue-gray gnatcatcher. These birds are tiny, weighing only 1/4 of an ounce. The male shown here is bluer than the female, but both sexes have white eye rings and black tails and dark wingtips. As their name suggests, they eat gnats, but they'll also eat a variety of other insects, and also spiders. These birds live year-round in Mexico, but will migrate to the U.S. in the spring and summer to breed. They can be seen in most of the eastern half of the U.S., as well as the Southwest and the Midwest. Thanks for watching.